Hey nerds, phishing is the most common attack in this world. Roughly daily around 1 million people gets scammed by the phishing. If you don't know, it is simply tricking people into giving credential, bank detail or account details. It can be done in various ways, but today we are going to do the camera phishing, where we are going to get the location of a person and the image of it. A quiet disclaimer for everyone is that this video is for educational purpose only, and if it is used for illegal purpose, that person is solely responsible for it. So first we will open any browser and search for camfish. There you will find techchip.net camfish. So open that. There you can see code, click on it and copy that URL. Now open any terminal in the Kali. So we are going to type git clone and paste that URL over here. After that we are going to change our directory to the camfish and list our directory. So cd camfish ls. Here you can see two files, camfish.sh and cleanup.sh. So we have to change the permission to executable. For that we are going to type chmod plus x and our file name, and as we will type ls, you can see it turns into green. So we are going to run it. So for that we are going to type ./camfish.sh. Here you can see there are two options. We are going to select the second one and we can choose any of it. So I am going to choose the third one, online meeting. So it is downloading in a Cloudflare over here. So let me wait for it. So it has started the Cloudflare tunnel. Now we are going to copy this URL and open a new tab in the browser and paste that URL. So here it is asking for permission. I will not going to give the permission, and it is asking for camera permission, so I am going to deny for it. So it has captured our IP, and if I have given the permission, GPS and image. But in the case if you have given the both, it will show the GPS and the image of yours. So if I am going to open the image, the one which it had saved, so you can see myself how nice I am looking. So let me close this out. I think this is pretty much good for today video. So thank you for the watching video. If you have any suggestion, comment it down and be a good civilian. Bye bye.